So welcome in this series of Excel. Today in this series of Excel, we'll study about the home tab in detail. Actually in today's video, we'll study about the half of the home tab, and in tomorrow's video, we'll study about the remaining home tab. So in home tab, there are lots of options like clipboard, font, alignment, number, styles, sales and editing. So in this video, we'll study about the numbers, and remaining three we'll study in tomorrow's video. So guys, be with me for next maximum 10 minutes. I will give you all the important information about the home tab. I know that you might know about the various things, whatever we are going to study today, but be with me. I am here to clear your small doubts about this, all these icons which comes under the home tab. So guys, we start with the video about the home tab. So first option is our clipboard option. So in this clipboard, there are three options: cut, copy, and format painter. So these are the very simple icons. For example, here I put the numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. And if, for example, if I want to copy all this number, then just select all this number. Here, click on the copy icon and just put your cursor on the another cell where you want to paste all this thing, and just click on this paste. Okay, you can also use Ctrl plus C for copy and Ctrl plus V for the paste, but here the use of icon is this. So whenever you use this copy icon is for the duplication of your data in the another place. The second option is, for example, if I selected this, if I click on the cut and then put your cursor in that place where you want to paste all this data, and then click on the paste. So you can see the difference between cut and copy. So copy is used to just duplicate your data, and cut is used to just move your data, and paste is for the pasting of your data. So this is all about this. Format painter will study after 5 minutes. So the second is font, that is the font group under the home tab. So there are lots of options. So this is our data. First you can select your data, and you can go into this font, and you can change any type of theme font, like any. For example, here if I want to select Arial, I select Arial. Okay, you can change the you can see that everything is changed to Arial. Here is the size. For example, if you want to change the size, then from this size icon you can change your size, whatever size you want. Here we select the size 18. Okay, here you can increase the size of your cell by just double clicking on this, so that size will automatically get changes by as per the size of your uh, alphabets and all other things. Okay, so here are the two options. This option is just to increase the size, and this is just to decrease the font size. Means you can also use this option like this. Font size get increases. If you click here, size get decreases. Okay, so here is to bold your data. Here is to italic your data, bold. Okay, here is to italic your data. You can deselect if you don't want this. Here the data is to underline. For example, here is the title of my data, that is the name of the students, then subject like math and science. If you want to underline your data, just go into underline. If you want single underline, then select underline. If you want double underline, then select double underline. Here I want double underline, then I select here. So you can see that double underline is there. So this is a very important option in Excel, that is the borders. For example, if you want to give border to your data, then just select your data, click here, and here is the option all border, bottom border. If you want only bottom border, then select this top border. Now here I want all borders, then just select this all border option, and you can see that your data automatically get the border from all the sides. So it is very important to make your data more attractive and professional. So this border option is there. So various icons are there in this various options are there in this border icon. So you can select any option as per your need. Here is the thick outside border, means if you want this size of this border more thicker, then you can select any one option. So this is simple option to give them. Here are the some background colors and the alphabet colors options or font color options are there. For example, here is the I want to for example, here is the title line of my data. For example, here I select the background color, um, any color, like for example blue color. Okay, so in this way you can able to select the background color, and from this you can able to select the font color. Here I select okay, first select your data and then select the font color. For example, here I select the font color. red. Okay, so you can see that font color is red and the background color is blue. So this is use about all the icons of the font. Okay, now if okay, now we'll see the use of this format painter. For example, here I made the lots of changes in this table. Means I give the underline, I change the font color, I change the background color, I also give the borders to this data. For example, if I want same all these things in another table, then by using format vendor it is very easy to apply all these changes to another table. For example, if I want to put, for example, if you want to put all these changes into this table, then just you can select any one cell from this table, click on this format printer, and you can come here and click on this. You can see that whatever changes you made in your last table, you can see all changes here. Means this format printer helps you to reduce your time and to make the changes in each and every table. Means for example, whenever you want the same type of format in various tables, you can use this format painter very easily. It provides you lot of preciseness in your work, lot of professionalness in your work, and also reduce your time. So that's it about the clipboard and font. Now we'll see about the alignment. So this alignment option is very important to represent or align your data in a proper way in Excel. So we'll study about this alignment. So here you can see that in this alignment option, here is the top alignment, then it is the middle alignment, then this is bottom alignment, then this is left side alignment, right side alignment, middle alignment. We'll see with one example. For example, here I put the number 50. Okay, so first of all, I will increase the size of this cell for the easy understanding. Okay, please give me 1 minute. We'll increase the size of cell. From this format, row height will increase to 40, sorry, 50. Okay, okay, so you can see that this is the cell and here is the 50 number. Now I will show you the use of these all alignment tabs. For example, this is for the top alignment. If you click here, see that your number automatically gets shifted to the top side. This is for the middle alignment. See that your number automatically gets shifted to the middle. And this is for the bottom alignment. See that your number automatically gets shifted to the bottom side. Now, for example, if you want left, right, and this middle alignment, just click on this number. See that your number is automatically get shifted to the middle. So in this way, you can use these alignments to just keep your data in the proper places into the cells. So here is the two things, that is the decrease in indent and increase in indent. For example, if you want to move your numbers slightly to left or right sides, then you can use this. See this. You can change the uh, position of your numbers based on this increase indent and decrease indent option. So here is the orientation, very important. For example, these are the names and you want to change the orientation, then you can just select the names. Here I selected Rahul, here I selected Rahul and Ratan name. Now you can go into this orientation and just click on any one, whatever you want. For example, here I want counterclockwise. See that the name of Harshan, Rahul and Ratan get changed to the in the counterclockwise. Now you can use this icon whenever you want such type of changes in your data. And now, for example, if you want to remove this, then come here and just put here 0. Okay, just put 0 so that your data automatically come at the previous position. So this is the use of this orientation and alignment. Here is the wrap text option is there. So this wrap text is used to feed the data in one row or in a proper way. For example, you want to fit your data in a proper way in one row, then in such situation you can use this wrap text option. It will be useful to you to keep your data in a proper way in one row. Now this merge and center option is there. For example, here is the for example, here I put 10 numbers. Okay, the number is 10. Now this merge and center option is used. For example, I selected this. So in this situation, if you want this number at middle of this whole box, then you can just select this merge and center option. So see that all cell get merged into one common cell and your number came at the center. So that is the use of this merge and center option. This second is merge and across option, means your number came in one row, means your number came in one row only. Okay, and here you can use unmerged cells so that your number automatically come at previous position. So if you use this unmerged cell, then see that your data is automatically came at the your this previous position. Okay, so that's it about the alignment option in the home tab. So we'll study about three options: clipboard options, font option, and alignment option. Now our last option is number option that we study in today's video. So in this number option, uh, first is the format of your number. For example, in Excel, you know that we'll write data in different formats like alphabets, numbers, percentage, all these things. For example, if here you put this data 50, for example, here I put some date like 10, 10 March 2020. Okay. Now, if you want this date in a long date format, then you can just select this cell, go here and just select long date. You can see that your date automatically gets changes to 10 March 2020, means from 10/3/2020 it gets changed to 10 March 2020. So from this you can able to change all the options. So for example, here if I put the number 54, okay, so you can see that here showing the general, means whenever you put any number of alphabet, it shows that it is in the general. For example, here if I select this all cells, and now if I want to apply the dollar sign or any sign, currency, rupees sign to all this number, then you can just click on this rupees. So you can see that all rupees like 45, it comes as a rupees. So from this you can apply. So these are the decrease or increase the decimals option. For example, here if you select this all cells and you want only one decimal point, then you can just decrease the decimal option. Sorry, you can just decrease the decimal option from this. Okay, so from this you can able to decrease decimal points. So this is to percentile for the percentage of your data, and this is to give different signs or numbers in different language. Like for example, here if you want to apply the dollar instead of rupees, then you can just click on this dollar, so that automatically your data came in the format of dollar. So that's all about the use of different groups or different options that comes under the home tab: clipboard, font, alignment, and number. This video is only up to the numbers. About styles, sales, and editing we'll study in tomorrow's video. So guys, I hope you understand or the meaning of all these icons shortly and precisely. So all the best guys for the tomorrow's video. All the best. Thank you.